Drone photography and videography have become more accessible than ever, thanks to compact, easy-to-fly minis that pair beginner-friendly features with capable cameras. The DJI Mini 4K cohort represents a sweet spot for new pilots who want 4K video, reliable stabilization, and long transmission ranges without the complexity or bulk of larger drones. Product number 1. Mini 3 Fly More Combo DJI RC. The Mini 3 Fly More Combo represents a higher-end entry point within this group, delivering 4K HDR video, true vertical shooting, and a substantial total flight time with 3 batteries. The DJI RC controller with a built-in 5.5-inch display and the ability to extend flight time with the Fly More bundle make it an attractive option for enthusiasts who want longer sessions and more creative shooting options. Weight remains under the 249-gram threshold when configured with standard accessories, which keeps registration considerations simple for recreational pilots. Prospective buyers should note the 10-kilometer transmission range and level 5 wind resistance, which provide confidence for outdoor flying across varied environments. Performance-wise, the Mini 3's 4K HDR video benefits from dual native ISO fusion and a 3-axis gimbal that maintains stability in gusty conditions. The combination of GPS return to home, precise hovering, auto takeoff and landing, and the optional Intelligent Flight Battery Plus for extended endurance makes it versatile for travel and longer delta shoots. The Fly More combo's 3 batteries enable up to 114 minutes of total flight time, but the total system weight may push above 249 grams depending on configuration, impacting regulatory considerations in some regions. The true vertical shooting mode is particularly valuable for social media content creators, targeting vertical platforms like TikTok and Instagram. Product number 2. Mini 4K. The Mini 4K is the most budget-friendly option in this lineup, emphasizing core 4K video, a robust 3-axis gimbal, and a 10-kilometer O2 transmission system. At under 249 grams, it adheres to a simplified regulatory footprint for recreational users and comes with scalable battery options to tailor flight time from 31 to 93 minutes in multi-battery configurations. The omission of Google Play compatibility for the DJI Fly app is a notable caveat for Android users, but the product remains accessible via the official DJI app download. Prospective buyers benefit from a straightforward, beginner-friendly feature set with solid wind resistance rated up to level 5. Performance analysis shows that 4K capture paired with a 3-axis gimbal yields smooth footage in typical daylight and sunset scenarios. The 38 kph wind resistance helps maintain stability during light gusts, while auto return and GPS hovering provide user-friendly safety. The main trade-off for the budget variant is battery flexibility versus peak flight time. While 1, 2, or 3 batteries are available, the 31-minute single battery spec is a practical baseline for casual use. This drone is well suited for learners who want dependable 4K footage without the premium price, though Android users should be prepared to install the app from DJI's site rather than the Play Store. Product number 3. Mini 3 with DJI RC. The Mini 3 with DJI RC is a balanced option that blends a built-in display with capable 4K footage and a compact foldable design. It offers a reliable 10-kilometer transmission range, true vertical shooting, and a similar wind resistance profile to peers, making it suitable for beginners who want a turnkey setup right out of the box. The inclusion of the DJI RC with pre-installed DJI Fly app reduces friction for first-time pilots and enhances daytime visibility in bright conditions thanks to the built-in screen. In practice, the Mini 3 delivers solid performance for travelers and first-time videographers who want wide creative flexibility, including quick shots and panorama modes. The 3-axis gimbal ensures stable imagery, though some users may find advanced control options limited compared to the Fly More bundles.
The 51-minute flight time with Intelligent Flight Battery Plus is achievable when bundled, but standard configurations with one battery are shorter. Beginners will appreciate the one-touch takeoff and landing and GPS-based RTH, but keeping within visual line of sight remains essential for safety.
Product number 4. Mini 3. The Mini 3 Standard is a strong all-around choice for beginners who want a compact, capable 4K drone with vertical shooting and long-range transmission. The package emphasizes a balanced feature set with 4K HDR video, true vertical shooting, and reliable auto return. It uses the DJI O2 transmission system and light aluminum construction, maintaining a light footprint while offering durable performance in typical outdoor scenarios. Performance-wise, the Mini 3's 10-kilometer transmission and wind resistance enable confident explorations across parks and coastal areas. The inclusion of 2 C batteries in this package yields longer sessions, but remains highly portable. The 4K camera with f1.7 and 2.4 micrometer pixel technology contributes to strong low-light performance for the size class. However, trade-offs include a smaller sensor relative to newer flagship models and potential limitations in advanced creative modes when compared to higher-tier Fly More kits. Product number 5. Mini 5 Pro Fly More Combo with DJI RC2. The Mini 5 Pro Fly More combo represents the most feature-rich option in this comparison, featuring a 1-inch CMOS sensor, 4K 60fps HDR video, 360-degree obstacle sensing, and a highly flexible 225-degree gimbal. It is designed for beginners who plan to grow into more advanced shooting and tracking capabilities with 3 batteries and a comprehensive accessories package, including ND filters and a charging hub. The absence of a price tag in the provided data necessitates explicit note that this is typically the premium tier in the Mini line, offering extended flight time and more sophisticated obstacle avoidance. In real-world use, the Mini 5 Pro delivers superior image quality thanks to the larger sensor and improved dynamic range. Omnidirectional obstacle sensing and 360-degree active track enable safer, more complex tracking scenarios, making it ideal for outdoor adventures and action sports. The long flight time, up to 52 minutes with Intelligent Flight Battery Plus, and rapid multi-battery charging are strong advantages for serious hobbyists, though the higher cost demands clear value justification for beginners who may be satisfied with simpler models to start. As with other DJI Minis, registration rules apply differently by region, and platform compatibility with DJI Fly remains a key consideration.